getting to the root cause of pain is more important than actually what the symptoms are. So often when I start working with someone, they come in and I get sort of the list of symptoms of what they're experiencing. And that's important, of course, because we want to have a sense of what's happening in the body. But I'm actually really more interested in what is the root cause, because I can symptom treat for sure. I can sight treat anything and make it feel better, right? But that's not the point. If we're dealing with a pain situation, what's more important is what's the underlying cause. And so our body works as systems. So I can't, let's say, work with somebody who's dealing with a frozen shoulder and treat the shoulder. That kind of doesn't make any sense, because we know that foundationally the reason the shoulder's having problems is because of what's happening inside the trunk of the body, because all our movement is generated from these larger muscles in the trunk. So when we work with people who have, for example, that frozen shoulder, what we're looking at is, okay, so what in the trunk is not moving? What's not moving well that should be? And what we're always inquiring about is something called sensory motor amnesia. And what does that mean? It means the brain has left muscles in a tight and short condition, often after an injury or a surgery or, or just habit. And so that sensory motor amnesia becomes the foundation or the root of the problem. So what we want to do is look at how are the systems in the body functioning or not functioning well, and then go into the systems and start to re-educate the systems using the brain and bring those kinetic chains back online. And then what happens is the people that we're treating start to feel better. Root cause. So now, as you think about your own pain, start to kind of pay attention to this. Because yes, there's this recurring symptom, but if you really get quiet and you feel into the experience of yourself, what do you feel? What do you know? Because your body's always speaking to you. It's telling you what's wrong. If we just get quiet, you'll begin to figure it out. So I challenge you, start to get quiet, start to inquire and sense and feel what your body is telling you, and see what messages you get, because your intuition is very strong. Don't ever underestimate that. So go do that for a little while and let us know what you find out. Have a great rest of your day.